Creating a CRM in Notion is a flexible and user-friendly way to manage leads, clients, and communication history all in one place. Here's how to build one. Create a new page. Open Notion and create a new page. Name it something like CRM Dashboard. Add a database. Click plus add the database and choose table full page to build your CRM system. Set up key properties. Customize columns to track important customer info. Name, email, phone number, company, status, deal value, last contacted, next follow-up, notes. Use views. Create multiple views like all contacts, leads, or follow-ups, using filters and sorting to organize your data visually. Add templates. Use page templates for each contact to include call logs, meeting notes, and email history within each entry. Collaborate and share. Invite teammates to collaborate in real time. Assign tasks or update statuses easily. Optional automations. Integrate with tools like Zapier or Notion API to automate lead input from forms or emails.